Hello guys, this is Yogendra. So in last video we have done the exploratory data analysis of global data. So today we are going to do for sports analysis. They have given the data set of IPL teams from 2008 to 2019. IPL teams, number of matches, right, and so many columns they have given. So today we are going to analyze that data. After when you click on this link, you will download the data. They have given two CSV files here. The first one is matches, and the second one is deliveries. To download the data, so let's do the coding. Okay, so this is what I have done. I have basically used Python. Okay, first you have to upload the matches .csv file. These are the 5 top rows. Matches data set. These are the last 5 rows, and these are the columns. Sensitivity, cost, cost to see result, real applied, finance, player of match. Player of matches is basically a man of the match. Venue, umpire 1, umpire 2, umpire. Matches 10, okay, these are the 5 last 5 rows. So we totally have 18 columns here and 756 rows. Okay, this is some quantitative analysis, right, for these 5 columns. IDC, right, out mean, standard research, interquartile range, and maximum. This is again same analysis goes on 18 columns. Okay, now we are trying to download the deliveries.csv file. We have given the data set MTF here. So these are the top 5 rows of here. This we have total 21 columns. Match ID details. We can see here. 21 columns and 1,79,078 rows. This looks like the data set is quite big here. Okay, this is again the quantitative analysis of this data set. Now we are trying to merge these two data sets, DF and matches, deliveries and matches. So here we can see match ID from DF data set and ID from matches data set have the common values. These two columns have common values, right? So we can only merge two data sets when we have one column common between these two data sets, right? Here we can simply use merge function. After joining the data set, you can simply see a match ID. So now we have 39 columns, and it is the number of rows are same, 79, 78. Okay, again quantitative analysis. Okay, from here we can try to find out whether the matches the ID column has unique values or not. It happens when IDs have same value, two IDs have same value. So we want to find out whether these are the ID has unique values or not. So after running the code, we find out true. It means yes, the entries that we have in match ID is unique. Now we will fix ID as a index for our data set, right? Yeah. This is again quantitative analysis. Basically, now we have all because we want to know the unique value top and frequency also. Then again, same top 5 rows of matches data set. Okay, so now here we are trying to find out which city has done values. So after running the code, we will find out here on Dubai International Stadium, we find out it shows in null values. So simply we can put this code we can put Dubai here because it shows like Dubai International Stadium means it has to be situated in Dubai. So when we use this fill and it will simply replace that null values with Dubai. Okay, so now we are trying to find out from this code whether on which matches when umpire 2 and umpire 1 has null values together, right? Don't forget it, here we are talking about together. So we found only two columns, I mean two rows here, Bangalore and Visakhapatnam, right? 2017 and 2019. Yeah, you can see. No, okay, this is very simple code. So we are trying to find out the city and venue. Okay, now we are trying to add one more column, um, count, right, in merge data. So we'll try to do the exploratory data analysis. So first we are trying to find the number of stadiums in different cities. So you can see Bangalore, Mumbai has highest number of stadiums. Here frequency means the number of matches that has been played in this venue. Okay, this is again very simple, but here we are trying to find out the number of matches played in each season and then the number of teams. Okay, so we can see here from 2011 to 2013 we have more number of matches because during this time uh, we used to have 10 teams in IPL, so that's why more than 70. From this code we are trying to find out the number of teams participated each season. Yeah, you can see in 2011 we have 10 teams and 12 13 we used to have 9 teams, and from 2014 to 2019 we have 8 teams. Then now we are trying to find out which venue has hosted the most number of IPL matches. So Eden Gardens more than 75, then Wankhede more than 70, and Subrata Roy Sahara Stadium East. I mean it. Yeah, I mean it has hosted the least number of IPL matches. We are trying to create a data frame, season and data. Winner of IPL across all 11 seasons. So we can see here Mumbai Indians won 4, Chennai 3, Kolkata 2, and all other teams 1, except Royal Challenge. The real analysis starts from here. So we are trying to find out whether a captain or whether a team can chooses. Now here we are trying to find out whether team chooses to field first have higher number of chances to win the match or not. So we can see 60% chances. So basically it shows the value that captain who chooses to field first have the higher probability to win that match, 60%. So this is again so winning toss and winning match, like how toss decision affects match result. Block shows the field and the orange block shows the in both the regions we can see here the team who chooses to field first have highest chances to. We can see here a team who chooses to field first have the higher number of chances to win. Okay, so team decision to bat first or second after winning the toss. So here we can see that all the teams always choose to field first because they know like the number of chances to win the match is when they choose to field first. We are trying to find out the top 10 players with the most win of the match scores. Okay. So here you can see a Chris Gale, then AB delivers, and here we are trying to find the relationship between the venue and batting first, right? Batting first or the team chooses to field first in Wankhede Stadium. I think they have the both equal chances, but let's go with Mansingh Stadium. We can see here who choose the team who chooses to field first have the higher number of chances to win the match, and quite opposite we can see here in Chidambaram Stadium that the team who chooses to bat first have the higher number of chances to win the match. So we can clearly see the relationship between the venue and chances to win the match if the team chose to field or bat first. So from this code, we are trying to find out whether batting second is really advantageous for all the teams or not, and across all the years, like from 2008 to 2019. From this histogram, we can clearly see here, except in 2010, in all the seasons, we can clearly see here, a team who chooses to field first have the high number of chances to win the match. Or we can see opposite here, a team who chooses to bat second have the high number of chances to win the match. Okay, it is basically we are trying to find the total runs scored by all the teams in one season. So 2008 we had near to 17,000 runs. So in 2013 we have more than 21,000 runs scored by all the teams together. These are the top 10 run getters Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina. So from this histogram, we can see here. We can see from this histogram we can clearly see Suresh Raina is the highest run getter. Why I'm telling this, because Suresh Raina comes at fifth position, right? When fifth and sixth position, but Virat Kohli comes at third position, third or fourth position. So that's why we are saying Suresh Raina is the highest run getter, because even he comes at position fifth and sixth. They got equal runs, but Suresh Raina comes late. Even after that, he scored that amount of runs. So that's why Suresh Raina will be the highest run scorer as compared to Virat Kohli. Consistent player again, I think Suresh Raina, because the highest point and the lowest point of Suresh Raina is higher among all other team players. All other players, right? Like he has the highest lowest run among all batsmen across 11 seasons. Considering these highest and lowest season totals and spread of runs, it quite seems that Raina has been the most consistent player given on. Now we're trying to go bowling side. Okay, total wicket takers, top wicket takers of IPL, Malinga, then DJ Bravo, Sushra. Here we can see the top 10 bowlers, 5 are fast and medium paces with the other 5 are spinners. So you can clearly see here it has equal proportion of the pacers and spinners. All 5 spinners are the right arm spinners, and 2 are leg spinners, and 3 are off spinners. And all 5 pacers are right arm. Okay, we are trying to find the strike rate of batsman. So we can see here Chris Gayle has highest strike rate of this, then Pollard, Warner, Watson. So we are trying to find out the bowlers who have got maximum number of extra balls, right? So here again, SL Malinga ball maximum number of extra balls, 221. Okay, we are trying to find out the bowler who have given the least amount of runs by taking the wickets. So we can see here that we have strike rate least amount of runs across. Okay, guys. So this is the small analysis summary of all the analysis that Mumbai Indians is the most successful team. There were more matches won by chasing the total by defending his total the biggest victory was by 146 runs in matches. Right? And now, if you're a franchisee and you want to see the analysis, so you can Seriously, is looking for consistent batsman who needs to score good amount of runs and go for Virat Kohli's versus Rohit Sharma and corner. The defense is looking for game-changing partners. If they go to Chris Gale, ABD Villiers, Rohit Sharma and MS Dhoni, then batsman looking for batsman to score good amount of runs. Then as they go for David Warner, Chris Gale, Virat Kohli, best finisher, Chris Gale, Watson, and experienced bowler Harbhajan Singh, Surinder Shah, Piyush Chawla, Ashwin, Malinga and DJ Bravo. If the franchisee needs a wicket-taking bowler, then go to Cecil Malinga. If the franchisee need a bowler, most number of dot balls, then go to the Harbhajan Singh, Praveen Kumar. If the franchisee needs a bowler, then go to the Manavi, then go to David Stein, Mullidharan, R. Ashwin, Narayan, and Harbhajan Singh. Yeah, this is a for our analysis that I have. Thank you.